used to chase a louder room. Thought the crowd would make me immune. Every voice talking over truth, every silent scene is rude. Turns out peace don't shout my name, it just stays when I leave the game. I don't miss the noise, don't miss a constant pull. Every echo, every choice, trying to make me listen whole. I don't miss the noise, I don't miss explaining scars, or being measured by how far. I don't miss the restless days, chasing nothing in 10 ways. Quiet never did me wrong, it just waited till I was strong. I don't miss the noise, the opinions dressed as truth. I found a steadier voice, turns out it was you. Peace don't advertise. If the world keeps spinning fast, I'll let it blur right past. I ain't numb, I ain't detached, I just learned what lasts. I don't miss the noise, I don't miss the fight. If quiet cost me a crowd, I'm alright.